batholith, lacolith, sealant, dike. What is the significance of this landform? What is the significance of this landform? These are the reserve of what? Minerals. Yes or not? These are the reserve of minerals. So granitic rock, जो intrusive volcanic landform, it is the reserve of minerals. Let us see. This is an, suppose करो ये rock है, and within the magma, granitic magma comes up and they what? Solidified. And जब ये आया and solidified हुआ तो इस region को भी, इस मिट्टी वाले region को भी क्या कर देगा? Uplift. Yes, this region will also get uplifted, and that is known as, I said that, and when it gets solidified, this kind of rock, when the granitic magma is solidified in which form? In the form of what I said that? Uneven shape. What did I said that? Is there any kind of shape of it? No fixed shape. Uneven shape. So what is the batholith? पहले ये मुझे बताओ, which kind of bathroom for having bath you like? Large bathroom or small bathroom? हाँ, यहाँ पे कैसा मिलता है? Which kind of bathrooms are there? Very large. हाँ, देखो कितना large बता रहा हूँ. You are taking bath suddenly. कभी हुआ होगा लाइफ में? Yes, लगता है कि that tap should be broken away. Yeah? So I said, you like which kind of bathroom? Big. और ये कैसा bathroom है? Batholith, big. Can you remember? Batholith. I said that in India, 2100 million years ago, बुंदेलखंड, which one I said that? ये कितने years हो गए बताया था मैंने? 2000. And 2100 million years ago, there is an what? Intrusive volcanic eruption, and that is known as what? Batholith. और इसी की वजह से क्या हो गया? Just tell me. So side में एक बुंदेलखंड का case studies लिख लेंगे आप. So what is happening in the बुंदेलखंड? बुंदेलखंड में क्या है? Large batholith. How many years ago? 2100 million years ago. Batholith. And when it comes, इसने क्या किया? This region को कैसे उठा दिया? Dome shape. So आज भी जाओगे बुंदेलखंड में, what will say that? Dome shape structure. It has uplifted like this. Clear? Yes. Bundelkhand. And in the Bundelkhand, which batholith? And then you can be able to see यहाँ पर this region is receiving 80 to 90 centimeter rainfall. How much rainfall? And it is in a good rainfall, 80, 90, 100 centimeter rainfall for what is making any region to be good productive. That's in a good one. But due to hard batholith, water is not able to percolate. Yes, so there is no underground water recharge. इसका मतलब यहाँ पे ग्राउंड वाटर है ही नहीं. Getting my point? No underground water recharge. No underground water recharge. It means whatever the rainfall is taking place, they will flow away. Yes or not? And flow away means large surface runoff. Large surface runoff. So now tell me, if ये water भी flow away हो जाएंगे, तो this region will what is it, die without the water? Yes or not? Because they cannot what is it, go for deeper depth to extract the what is it, water and all underground water. It means this region has a very, this is in a which kind of region? Drought prone area. Which area? Even having out what? Good rainfall 80 to 90. This region is facing what? और इसलिए इस रीजन में लोगों ने क्या किया? टू स्टोर द वाटर, इन सारे रिवर्स के ऊपर डैम्स बना दिए, सो दैट द वाटर कैन बी कैच्ड एंड दे कैन डू सम एग्रीकल्चर एंड फॉर देयर सर्वाइवल ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. अंडरस्टूड इट? इज इट ओके? क्लियर? सो दिस इज आई सेड दैट बुंदेलखंड. अंडरस्टूड इट? समझ में आ गया? विच रॉक इज देयर? ग्रेनाइटिक batholith. In the form of it has uplifted in the dome shape. How many years ago? 2100 million years ago. And where is the mineral reserve in India? Eastern half of India. Yes or not? Eastern half of India. Western half of India is non-metallic. Now this is batholith, and batholith is an, what is the feature? What is the feature? Uneven shape. And after the erosion, of the top sedimentary rocks, you can see the top, but you can never see the bottom. Never in the life. You can see the top. Top can be seen after erosion, but just tell me, but bottom, it can never be seen. Bottom can never be seen, but bottom can never be seen. Understood it? Clear? Understood it? I said that now there are the two words are there, concordant. Another I said that disconcordant. What are the two I said that? Concordant and disconcordant. इसका मतलब disconcordant and concordant. Suppose ये क्या है? Sedimentary rocks. And sedimentary rocks कैसे होते हैं? They have one bedding plane. तो यहां पर एक क्या होगा? बेडिंग प्लेन था, और इसको किसने तोड़ दिया? Who has broken this? So this is known as what? Disconcordant. Somebody is angularly or perpendicularly, it is breaking the bedding plane. That is known as what? Disconcordant. It is known as what? So ये कैसा होगा? Tell me. Disconcordant. और जब बेडिंग प्लेन के पैरेलल हो, that is known as concordant. So which are the, how can you write about the batholith? When the granitic magma started solidifying in the what? Shallow depth below Earth's surface with uneven topography from the up. Yes or not? Uneven topography with the shape with the up. Its top can be seen only after the erosion, but bottom can never be seen, and it has a character of what? Disconcordant. And this region never allow percolation of water. Therefore, these regions generally what is not naturally helpful for what growth of urban settlement and rural settlement. समझ में आ रहा है? Yes. Clear? Never naturally. अब आप डैम बनाओ, कुछ बनाओ, then you started was sustaining over there. So such kind of it is naturally it does not allow. But आज के डेट में human being can what is stay anywhere. If they are staying in the tundra, yes or not? So they can stay anywhere. आने वाले समय पानी नहीं होगा तो will what is through the water will supply. And हम लोग ने क्या करना है? Water will some kind of liquid, and then हम लोग थोड़ा सा वाटर वेपर लेंगे, we can sustain for a day. So पता नहीं फ्यूचर कैसा होगा, I don't know. but आने वाला समय there will be नहाने के लिए there will be no water, it will be some kind of new liquid will come to take bath. So this is, याद हो गया bath, batholith, and this is, I said that similar to batholith but smaller than batholith. It is bosses. It is, I said that, similar to batholith but smaller than batholith. Bosses or stalks. Understood? Similar to batholith but smaller than. Got it? Bosses or stalks. ये कैसा होगा? Discordant, breaking the what? Bedding plane. Next one, these two are okay with you? Batholith और bathroom किसके यहाँ होगा बड़ा? Boss के यहाँ ही होता है. Yes. खड़ूस boss. Is it okay? Now, the next one I said that laccolith. And bathroom में who is to take bath? People is to take bath. And people को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? लोग. मैं क्या याद करा रहा हूँ? लोकोलिथ. क्या है? When the magma, ध्यान से, when the magma solidifies in which, and ऊपर से कैसा दिखता है लोग? Convection. How do the people are able to locate? When the magma solidifies and they are what? With a smaller feature, with convex shape from the top, it is known as laccolith. It is known as what? So such several features is what I said that? Laccolith. Understood? Don't remember locolith. वो तो मैं लोग याद कराने के लिए बोल रहा हूँ, but I said that you can remember laccolith. So which are the we have seen? Intrusive landform, batholith, bosses, and laccolith. Is it okay? Next I said that it is in a which kind of it? यदि इस स्ट्रक्चर को केवल देखें, it is on what? If it is like this, very small. आप बॉसेस से मत देखना, ये बहुत छोटा सा होता है. So bedding plane को तोड़ेगा नहीं. It will not break the bedding plane. Yes or no? It will not break the. Understood? So it is in a which kind? Discordant or concordant? Concordant. So laccolith, concordant. Understood it? You know that the next one after this, when the magma, granitic magma solidifies, in which shape? Saucer shape. In which shape? In which shape? Saucer or ball. Bowl. Understood? ये क्या है? इसमें लोग क्या करते हैं बच्चों को? And what it is known as in English? Lap. What it is known as? Then the child को किसमें carry करते हैं? Saucer shape structure में. And that is known as a laccolith. So which structure is this? The saucer shape structure, when the magma, granitic magma solidifies in saucer shape, it is known as lopolith. This is what I said that? Laccolith. Is it clear? And it is generally discordant in nature. I said that it is clear. When the granitic magma, I said that solidifies in which shape? Saucer shape, it is known as lopolith. आने वाला समय इन्हीं सब चीजों के लिए है. मिनरल इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट एंड ग्रेनाइटिक रॉक्स. आपसे क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा जाएगा? वेन एवर आई से सम क्वेश्चन मस्ट राइट. अंडरस्टूड? मैंने बोला व्हाट कैन बी द क्वेश्चन. आई सेड दैट discuss intrusive landform, discuss intrusive landform, and better to say intrusive volcanic landform, and present its significance with respect or in context with respect to India. Understood? If I am finding out iron ore in what is I say the Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, तो what is the civil engineer must have studied, वो rock को देखेंगे और यहाँ देख लिया तो ये सारा चीज थोड़ी नहीं यहाँ तक पहुंच जाएंगे. When they saw this, after finding out, उन सभी चीजों का एक क्या होता है, physical properties होती है. When they studied it, they said that yes, this region that is kind of lopolith and this can have this much of what reserve. वो पूरा नीचे तो जाते नहीं है. Basis of that, what some kind of a structure, they said that they might have this kind of what potential reserve. Understood it? Now, this is clear. So there is a very high significant when we are doing in the Eastern Ghat, then it is in this kind of rock structure that should be what is must be understood. Next one we are coming. So which are the intrusive landform we are seeing? Batholith, yes, bosses, laccolith, convex, and then I said that lopolith. Understood? Another I said that